everyone, my name is Camila and today we're gonna talk about how to trade on OTC. I know that this question is very popular on the trading market and you always ask me, so today I'm gonna explain to you the right strategy how to use the OTC pairs, OTC assets for your profit. So let's start as usual. We're gonna choose the assets with the biggest payout with the OTC sign. So as usual, the OTC have the biggest payout, so that's why the most eligible parts always with OTC. That's no problem to find them in this line. Also, we're gonna use the candles for 30 seconds as we usually do, and today we're gonna use the average true range and the oscillator indicators. Also, we're gonna correct them a little bit, so the first one gonna be 7 and the style gonna be 2. And also to synchronize our indicators, we're gonna change the periods here too. So now we are ready to trade. We're gonna put 1 minute for $100 and let's start. So the best time to trade on OTC is weekends because the other markets have the off days, so all the traders on the OTC market, and that is very comfortable situation for you to use it for your profit. Okay guys, so let's start our trading and let's find the asset where we can put our money in on OTC market. So let's see what we can see here. No buyers, the average true range showing us the tail to the lowering position. Also we working with a curve and we already had the first part of the curve, so we probably gonna go downwards. That is what I can tell for you right now. As you can see, the OTC market working very unstably, so you have to be ready for that. You have to be ready for some losses. That is what happens sometime. But with the right technical analysis and the right strategy, everything gonna be good. So as you can see, we working to the second part of the curve. We still don't have a lot of buyers. We still going lower with the average true range and we're still going lower on our market. And guys, we have the first profit and I think that is just amazing. Even on OTC on 92% of payout, you can do a lot of money and I think that is just amazing. So okay, let's put $200 for example and continue for the highest position. So what we can see here, again, unstable market, absolutely unstable situation. We're working with the curves. We have only one buyer on the oscillator and we don't have very promising tail or breaking line on the average true range. But what we have that I put the price to the highest position and I'm sure we're gonna win this trade. We have the tails on the market that telling us that we tested the zone downwards. That was not comfortable for us and we probably gonna go higher for sure. So that is what we can see, and we can see the buyers who is on the market. I am scared that we lost the moment that we put it the trade too early, so probably we're gonna lose now. Yes, that is what happened, but we're gonna use the martingale strategy and put the price to the highest position right now, and I'm sure that's gonna be working for us only in the positive direction. So as you can see, we have the buyers right now, so they came to our asset. Also the average true range put the price higher positions right here, and we continue to grow very strictly and very slowly, but we still continue to do that. So as you can see, the buyers already trying to push price higher and we do not like it, so we are going to the highest position just like that, guys, just like that, very confidently going to that moment. And oh my god, that was crazy moment, guys, but we had the profit. Did you see that? I think that was just the face. Oh my god, just 1 second and we won. Guys, that was amazing. Okay guys, so let's continue and find the new asset to put our money in. So I like this situation very nicely because we have the stable growing of the price for a long time, very understandably. We have the buyers on the market. Also, we already had the breaking line on the average true range, so we have the confidence that price probably gonna bounce back for the highest position. And let's see. So we continue with little steps to grow our price, to push it higher. That is very interesting moment. And as you can see, all we doing is right, very stable growing with little steps, very understandable market, very understandable graphics, and very right technical analysis, I think, because we only have 5 seconds left, and that can be our profit, guys, and we have the profit again. I think that is just wonderful. That is just amazing. Even on OTC you can make a good profits. So as you can see, let's continue with this asset. So let's put for the lowering position for 1 minute, and I'm gonna explain to you why. So as you can see, we working to the lowering position for a long time already, and we don't have buyers. We have the breaking line on the market, so probably we just gonna continue to push it lower and lower, and that's gonna be the understanding strategy of the market and of this asset. You don't even need some specific difficult technical analysis right here. That is the main part on the OTC. Choose the assets that you understand and where you don't need a long time to analyze everything, because as you can see, very understandable graphics, and guys, we have the profit again. I think that is just wonderful. Okay guys, so let's continue and let's make one more deal. So let's see what's gonna happen right here. We don't have a buyers as the oscillator showing us. We already have the breaking line moment on the average true range, and we have the trend line for the lowering position on the market right here. That is very interesting moment. So we can see that we pushing the price downwards, and that is very nice situation for us. As you can see, we did have a little curve, but moreover it was a stable area, but now we're pushing this price to the lowering position, and we still don't have enough buyers to push the price higher, so probably the price gonna lower itself in few seconds, and we in 100% safe zone of our profit. And guys, that was the profit again, and I think that is just fantastic. As you can see, when you do all the right technical analysis and understand the market, you can earn even on the OTC assets, and that's gonna be very nice for you. Don't forget that OTC we use usually on weekends when the other market takes the day off. Also, if you want to grow your capital with me, don't forget about my absolutely free Telegram channel where I give you free signals so you can trade with me online. And also don't forget to follow my YouTube channel so you won't miss my interesting and useful video. Bye bye.